William Tell was in the risk management business. The Marksman Challenge, shooting an apple off his son's head, tested his vision, his resources, and his reliability. Avoiding disaster made him a legend. Managing electrical grids at peak network performance may not be the stuff of legends, but asset managers also need vision, resources, and reliability to hit their targets. There's no margin for error in our industry. There's constant pressure to provide secure supplies and quality services within a fixed budget and in compliance with regulations. How can you hit that bullseye every time? APLINES data analytics solution maximizes the value of your assets at any scale on the grid. It's a powerful strategic tool that helps you evaluate where and when to invest to optimize performance and reduce the risk of grid failure. Developed through an incubator project by Schneider Electric, the solution grew out of 6 months of discussions with more than 100 electric utilities worldwide. It's unlike anything in the industry and based on proven methodology. APLINES solution offers a holistic view of your program's impact on overall network risks. Its insights also help you proactively control vegetation risks without overspending. Here's what APLINES can do for you. Rank and visualize assets by health and criticality. Monetize asset risks. Prioritize preventative maintenance actions. And understand the risk profile of assets over time. Our software can model multiple maintenance and investment scenarios, creating strategies for various budgets. APLINES solution runs on a robust data processing engine, but its intuitive interface is easy to learn and use. And it's not just software. You'll get partner-level access to our skilled team of asset management and data experts. Together, we'll walk you through project cycles and challenges, assess your unique requirements, and recommend best practices. Schedule a demo now to see how APLINES solution can help you hit the target.